You know I come from a city of sorrow, man. Ugly introduction, red snow, heartaches.
What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, man, and today we gonna discuss something that's highly going on in this 100-degree weather that happened to me, unfortunately, and it happened to my boy 360Jeezy, and we just gonna talk about what you could do to prevent that, bro. So the reason why y'all wondering why I'm starting the video off like this is because, whoo, boy, that tan crazy, bro. Now, common ways you could do to prevent tans, bro, which I should have listened. Yes, stop wearing your do-rag all the time. I don't care if your hairline not the freshest, bro. Just if your waves is dipping, you feel me? Who needs a do-rag? Who needs to be wearing a do-rag, or who needs a cut? You feel me? Let your hair flow out, bro, or else you're gonna end up like me. You're gonna end up like me, bro. You're gonna have a tan. Your waves gonna be just. What is that? Oh. Yeah, you're gonna have a tan. Your waves is not gonna be in there. It's not gonna be right, or nothing like that, bro. So I see I'm dipping though. Anyway, you're gonna have a tan, bro. Your waves not gonna be there. A lot of stuff is not gonna be there, man. Hey man, and I'm gonna show y'all. Some of the people got their stuff from the giveaway. I'm gonna show y'all, and some of the people didn't get their stuff yet, only because of what's going on. As y'all know, in certain places they having a you know, it's like, you know, floods, and Florida is going through it right now. Also, big hearts out to my boy Kevin Hart, man. Hopefully he pulled through. Hopefully everything's okay with him, man. Prayers go out to his family, bro. That was a tragic car crash. That's so crazy. It's crazy how fast we can lose one another. Y'all gotta stay safe. You know, out here in these streets, no matter what you're doing, stay positive, stay motivated, and keep grinding to go to the top in what you're doing, man. But other than that, man, as far as this tan line, bro, it's gonna be hard for it. I'm gonna try to do the clay on my face to get my face to come back in order. And shoot, as far as anything else, I gotta get this tan line away, bro. Like, I gotta get this tan line away. I'm already, you know, making progress on the waves. I got some new stuff coming in the mail. You feel me? New stuff coming in the mail. We're gonna show y'all all type of stuff coming, man. Y'all just stay tuned. If y'all rock with me, I'm gonna rock with y'all. We're gonna take it to the top, man. But right now, I'm gonna go get and get this clay. We're gonna mix it. I'm gonna put it on my face and try to help my face bounce back real quick. I did a washing style, so I don't mind getting my hair wet or whatever. But today, we not wearing the do-rag, bro. We finna just clean lay my face real quick or whatever. And this tan line is crazy. All right, y'all. We're gonna see if I can try to get my face to semi-bounce back. I made some of this clay, bro. You can use this for your hair and for your face. And we're gonna just put this on our face, let it sit for like 20 minutes, you feel me? Make sure you got it with your apple cider vinegar, you dig, or whatever. And then you stir it up, just like I did in the last video, man. Y'all can go check that out, link down in bio, in the description to check it out. Learn how to, you know, mix that thing up. But once it's mixed up and it look like, you know, some pudding or some yogurt or something, you feel me, you just apply it to your face. And hopefully this tan go away somehow. Hopefully. Probably ain't gonna really go away too much, bro. But like I said, y'all gotta stop wearing do-rags all the time. Who cares if you don't gotta line up? Just if your waves is there and it's nice, you be straight. Y'all might have seen me do this on my last, my clay and lay on the thumbnail. Y'all seen it? Now y'all seen me actually put it on. So hopefully everything go to normal, you know. Apply that on there real brief. Add some extras to the area that's under It's real hurt right now. I apply extra to the wounded area. I should just do another clean leg since I got it, but we ain't gonna do that today. Should I do a clean leg? I probably want to see another clean leg, right? I know. I don't feel like putting this shit in my hair. I got a lot left. Don't want to waste it. But anyway, after that, you want to just pretty much start to. I don't think I'm gonna do a clean leg today because I just did a washing style, and I don't want to do another one on top of that. You feel me? Even though the clean leg is different, but still. So right now, you just pretty much start your timer for what, 20 minutes. Let this fully dry on your face. Set the timer. 20-minute timer. Y'all can see 20 minutes. Feel me? Kick back, relax. Go follow me on Instagram. You feel me? At ricothewaver while y'all waiting. If you are doing this right now, you having a problem with your waves being your tan line. You feel me? And it's in the summer. You feel me? Go wash your hands. Go kick back, relax. Let your face dry. And we're gonna catch up to y'all when we get ready to wash this thing off. And you're gonna see the results and see if it actually made my face go back to normal. If it don't, I'm screwed. And we're gonna just have to get the face back by sitting out in the sun and actually tanning the rest of the face that was covered. Because I had my do-rag on. You feel me? Anyway, y'all see the waves busting, you feel me? Got this mask on. Looking crazy as hell. Sit that on there. Just chill out for 19 minutes, man. Catch back up, y'all. I'm gonna catch back up in 19 minutes. You feel me? There's 19 minutes left now, but put it on for 20. You feel me? And then we're gonna wash this off the face. Enough talking. And so, like I said, we're gonna attempt to get this tan line off. It's been about 20 minutes. What I'm gonna do is wash it off, show y'all the results real quick, real brief like. And you feel me? Simple as that, man. Fix the crown up a little bit because I'm fresh out of washing style, so everything's out of place. You know, I don't mind showing it. Feel me? Still spinning though, bro, so I can't complain. So we're gonna wash this over our face, show the results. Hopefully it worked for my face. Hopefully it did some type of difference. If it didn't, then I'm asked out until my skin color start to match and the tan go away, man. Let's see about that right now. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, it kind of helped it just a little. Like, it's still there. It's gonna take about a 2-day span, but your waves, your forehead to bounce back. And as far as the waves, man, just keep brushing, doing what you're doing, going crazy right now. We finna just get a brush session in and go nuts, because I'm in fresh out the rag, man. But this video basically was talking about this tan line, because it's so crazy, man. We gotta get that up out of there as soon as possible, as fastest steps we can do to take that thing away. But if you watch this video, man, go ahead and give it a like, comment, subscribe, man. And if y'all enjoy any of my videos, subscribe to my channel. Link down will be in the description below on where you can find everything to just keep up to date with me and keep up to date on my recent video, man. It should be in your boy Rico the Waver. Happy Labor Day to anybody out there, man. Gang.